Hello there again, my friends. It's always great to see you here in the channel. I hope all of you are in good health and I appreciate you all for checking out this video. Once again, I would like to ask you to please help the channel by hitting that subscribe button and the notification bell. And please don't forget to press like if you enjoyed the video. Here in this video, I decided to begin working with lighting up the layout. I wanted to start it here in this area of the church, where I installed the 3 street lamps for now and a few LED lights inside the church building as well. For the lights inside the church, I actually used some LED bulbs from an old Christmas string lights. These bulbs are cool white in color, like it says in the package, and they look like bright white when turned on. Here I am detaching the LED bulbs from the wiring, and will use thermostat wires to solder them together and to supply power to the bulbs, and also to easily set them up inside the church. For the street lights or post lights, I use these ones that I bought from Amazon. These 2 small containers here include resistors in the package to safely power the LED bulbs in them. This one in the plastic bag package comes in 20 pieces per bag. This is a lot cheaper option, but didn't come with resistors. I don't really need the resistors anyway, because I have a box here that is full of different resistors from 30 ohm value up to 100 kilo ohms. Here you can see that I already wired the 4 LED bulbs that I removed from the Christmas lights, and now digging the trenches to run the wires that will supply power to the 3 street lamps. As I mentioned earlier, I powered the church lights by using thermostat wires and by connecting them in series in such a way that I would only need 1 resistor to power all 4 bulbs without burning them. These lights will be powered by the same 14-volt power adapter that I use for the transmitter tower. The red and white thermostat wires are the positive and negative voltage power supply that I connected to the same thermostat wires that power the transmitter tower under the bench. I used a different wire for positive voltage supply. So I can use another switch on the control panel to power these lights. To install the street lights, I also soldered the wires from the lamps to the thermostat wires to supply the power. I just then buried the wires inside the trenches and will just use drywall mud to cover them. I also just wired the 3 lamps in series and used one resistor for all the 3 bulbs. The circuit is then soldered to the red and white power supply wires in parallel to supply it with the same 14-volt power from the adapter. Okay, let's turn the new lights on. It looks like all the bulbs are working, and now I can put the church building back in place. Okay guys, this is it for now, and I will be showing you more of the lighting work that I will do in the other areas of the layout in future videos. I hope you guys enjoy the video, and please be safe out there always. I'll see you all in the next one, and bye for now.